Behind Gemini, ChatGPT, and Claude lies a single breakthrough engine, the transformer. It begins with tokenization, where text is broken into chunks, from single characters to whole words. These tokens are converted into embeddings, mathematical coordinates in a vast digital space, where words with similar meanings live close together. But the real secret is the self-attention mechanism. Instead of reading word by word, the model processes entire sentences at once, weighing how every word relates to the others to grasp true context. This brain is built in stages. First, pre-training across trillions of web pages creates a base model that understands grammar and facts. Then, fine-tuning and human feedback, or RLHF, teaches it to follow instructions and stay safe. Today's models are even more efficient, using a mixture of experts. Instead of using the whole network, a router sends your prompt to specialized subnetworks. This allows AI to scale to trillions of parameters, processing text, images, and audio as one unified stream of data.